Greetings everyone! Welcome back to a new episode of Sephiroth and Cyprus channel. Today we have Dimetrodons. So, these two right here are from Dominion. This one came with a single pack 2 years ago, I believe, when the Dominion movie came out. And then this one came with Dr. Grant, with a human. It came with like 3 items in it. It came with Dr. Grant, this Dimetrodon, and a dinosaur skull. I think that's it, the 3 items, but yeah. So, let's check their DNA scan. There you go for this Dimetrodon. This one also. Okay. Alright, so we're gonna bring out the new Dimetrodon. Here we go. I believe it is a repack. I don't think this is the one that came with the 2-pack with the Velociraptor Blue. That was never released. I was disappointed at that. So it is actually the same as this. It's just a totally same thing. Look at that, how disappointing. Same colors, same face paints, everything. Paint jobs all the same. So if you scan this, it could be exactly the same, but it still doesn't work anyway. But yeah, it's just a brand new packaging. It's just a repack. Because this one says Dominion back then. They could at least change the color or puts some little different paint right here, but nope, exactly the same, guys. All right, so the only thing we don't have now is this one, the Sungaripterus. At least this one had a new paint job, a new paint job. Okay, so let's unbox it. We'll just see. While I'm unboxing this, I'd just like to let you know that the new Giga Hybrid is finished. All done. Okay, so it has a T-Rex symbol right there. Unlike the others, it has a Giganotosaurus symbol. The red ones are Giga, the blue are T-Rex. Don't know why, but it's our new gimmick again. Okay, so this is the new one. Let's compare it. Oh, snap. It is actually the same. Same exact claws. The face paint. Are you kidding me? Mattel, come on. Okay, since I have 2 of these now, I'll just do a repaint. I'll just this one. I'll probably just make him a red Dimetrodon, the one that wasn't released too long ago. Yeah, I'll just look it up online, find that, and do it. So yeah, not bad. It works out. More Dimetrodons for us. Okay, guys. Alright. So yeah. That's pretty much it for today. Let's check this other one. Yep. Not bad. We'll just we'll just change this to a red one. Make it red and brown. Alright. Alright, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. It's almost Halloween, guys. And it's time for trick or treat. And my treat is going to be awesome. You guys are going to enjoy it. Love it. Alright, guys. Thank you again. You guys have a good week now. Bye for now.